Today's a big day. We have a lot going on at the house. I am still in our rental right now. I'm making breakfast, getting ready to head over to the house. A lot going on. This month is going to be crazy. We have a plumber coming in today. Dave already left to go let the plumber in. We've got an electrician today, a couple contractors. So, you know, full steam ahead, like we're going for it now. And so now I'm just gonna make myself a little breakfast, an egg sandwich, make a, you know, hot water thermos with some lemon and honey in it. Lots of snacks. You gotta make sure that you are well fed throughout this process. It is pouring rain right now, but you know, the show must go on. So big day today. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Making myself an egg sandwich to take to go on my way to the house. The trick is cooking an onion at the same time as you cook your eggs. It makes it so much better. Kimchi, how do you feel about the rain today? What's that? You want to go outside? But it's raining. It's pouring rain. Pit stop, we're going to a sawmill. There's this place that has great mantles. I do want to get a barn beam as a mantle for one of the fireplaces. The other fireplace also needs a new mantle, although it's not as much as an emergency. Neither are an emergency. The other beam that's there already is totally warped. So I love the look of the like live edge mantles. So let's go inside and check them out. Wall is down. Look at that. That's the kitchen and dining room and no wall. We got our fridge in. Here's the refrigerator. Still trying to figure out what to do with this laundry room. So right now we have a plumber here and they just put on air to run through all the piping to make sure there aren't any leaks, so when we turn the water on we are good to go. So we are a little nervous right now. We're hoping that there isn't a leak. Pressure's on, literally.
Right. Oh yeah. You've got and when you pushed it through the hole, it's completely sheared off here.
Wait, are you putting water through?
No,
air.
But there's water sitting inside of some of the pipes.
So this one's like, you know what? I do recall this one being a little fucked up.
Okay, so we're only pushing air right now. So what I would do is make a mental note with some blue tape of your mess ups right here, and that way we can. It's barely peeling out, but it is, so you got to address it. Yeah. These are some of the most critical ones because if we mess these up, we'll be opening up this door.
You recording?
Yeah. This is good shit.
This is the plumbing test. So after weeks and weeks of trying to put together the plumbing,
and Dave's doing a great job. This is Dave's first ever plumbing assignment, so.
Yeah, so far so good, I think. We found 2 leaks, which is
2
good.
leaks.
We do it with air now before you test it with water. But yeah, this is a big moment, so you know.
Dave, what are we at?
No,
70 psi and growing.
He said 85.
Oh, 85.
85 psi.
This is a good year.
No,
this is good.
Year.
All right, so Dave, they found 1 leak. So Dave's gonna replace one of the pipes real quick.
Pretty sure it is. Those are the lines that feed those lines.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll do whatever makes you happy, Dave. Kind of the words I live by.
Well,
that's what I say too.
fire it up.
Just like that?
You change it out?
Yeah.
Just that one, and then
You change this valve?
no, I gotta get the ball valve for that, but at least can narrow it down, let the upstairs run if there's any issues. At least we have overnight, you know?
Okay.
So test what we can.
Alright.
I gave myself a little more room so it's easier to take off next time.
Okay.
Now this one's got a, is that a
It's a
problem?
bleeder.
All right, Dave. Dave just redid, so we're hoping for success. Turn on or off?
You can turn them up is on, this is off.
Okay.
So under our utility, our laundry sink, and then under that cabinet we'll have access to this stuff.
Yeah.
So I think we adjusted 2 weeks. Well, the guys are here, so we get a full night of testing. Which is good,
Yeah.
so. Rock on.
All right, big day. Summary of today. Dave is crushing it. All of his plumbing was great. There was just 2 little leaks, so we had the plumber come in, push 100 PSI through the plumbing work, right? 2 leaks. Dave fixed it right away.
We'll see how it holds up overnight. So basically, yeah, I did as much of the plumbing as I could, and then finally handed off the torch. No pun intending for plumbers, but they came in, helped us set the drains, and cleaned up anything I might have missed, and then we ran air through the system. So before
For
you run
24 hours.
before
right?
you run water, and so far so good. So yeah, made 2 repairs, and then we had the wall nearly complete, which is a big deal.
Yep, took down the wall.
Getting measurements, placing orders for some of the other projects we have going on to finish the bathrooms, get that stuff underway. So
And the
pretty
plumber
exciting.
put in all the lines for the shower head. We're gonna have like a wand.
Yes.
Is that what it's
A
called?
wand. Wand for kimchi. Wash his
We
dirty
can
fur.
pretend to have a little pond in the bathtub, and
Yeah.
we can go swimming in the bathtub.
It's a big day, and it's fun to start to hand off some of the stuff and have professionals step in and pass the torch, and then work on other things that we can do while they're doing other projects. And it's a rainy down day, so can't be outside, but took advantage of some landscaping yesterday, and yeah, it's coming along. It's fun.
Yeah. Good job.
What's
today.
next? And she is a wizard. She's very humble right
I'm
now, but
just
she's an amazing orderer
ordering
of
things on the internet.
So procurement specialist,
Follow-ups.
Supply chain wizard.
Where's that vanity that I ordered? Can I speak to your manager?
It's fun. It really opens up your eyes to the whole home buyer process. So I feel like now when we meet
Yeah.
someone or
It
a couple,
basically-
and you're like, oh, I can understand now what you went through. So it's a lot. There's a lot of pieces.
And from
to it.
here, whenever we tell somebody like we're hoping to move in or like be done in 30 days, everybody laughs at us. So, we
We're
gotta
gonna be in.
set high
We're gonna be in.
goals. If we don't hit them, we're flexible, but like 30 days starting now.
Do you think we'll sleep in this house by 2020? I mean, I could sleep on that couch right now, but yeah, we could be living up here, like for Christmas.
I think we would move in when the kitchen is mostly done, like when the appliances are hooked up.
I think you're gonna be surprised.
At least 1 bathroom.
I think we're gonna.
Yeah.
I'm gonna disprove the naysayers.
All you
We're gonna
haters out there.
disprove the naysayers. Everyone chuckles and throws back their head and laughs at us.
I mean,
but we're
listen,
gonna be in.
I
We're gonna be
also
in.
understand that like the couch I just ordered like probably won't be here for another 6 months, but
Might
like
not have furniture.
we might not have furniture, and that's that's okay. That
Let's
is
just get the outdoor furniture deals now. and then plug them in the living room and chill on that.
And people will
then
come into our house and they'll be like, oh, you just
Great.
got Adirondack chairs.
See, that's a plan. You can do that. Yeah, I think that's the plan. We get awesome outdoor furniture that we know we want to have.
Yeah.
Put it inside.
Put it inside.
And get the deal now.
Right.
And then.
Right. Because nobody's selling outdoor furniture right now.
Well, this is the deals. Fire sales.
Right.
Let's do it. And I'm not gonna do it. I have a bad joke. I'm just not gonna share it.
And let the English see you do it. He likes to quote Braveheart.
It just fits more often than not. You know, I'm not driving, so.
Stop. The dad jokes. Okay. Great job today, babe. Tune in for our update next week. So far, so good.
Yep.
What's our sign off?
We should work on that for next time.
I know.
Yep.
Live, learn, build well.
Oh. Pretty good. Pretty.
Anyway, we'll see you next time.
Bye.